We can also modify the components, say when we have different legends. Okay, so in that case, we are going to map different aesthetics. Now, let's come in here and say, in this data set, we want the points. Now, let us, now, I'm gonna clear the console. Now, let's say we first want to map color to this variable, then we map size to the weights, then we map shape. Now let's use a different variable, say gear. Okay, so let's run this. What you are seeing here is that we have now managed to create different legends. Okay, we can try and use the guide in order to modify each of these legends. So how can we do that? So if you come in here and now you say guides, right? And now when it's come to color, you come in here and say, remember it's going to be guide underscore color bar, right? Say we want to change the title and say it horse power, right? Now, if you want to modify the shape, right? So you remember that when it's come to shape, we have used the weight. So now we will come here and say shape and say guide underscore legend. Okay, now let's say we want to change also the title and use weight. Now let us check to see if we are correct. So remember it's shape for weight, shape, no, it's supposed to be gear. Supposed to be gear. And then for size, we come and say guide score legend, and then we also want to change the title to be weight. Okay, so now we have managed to get that correct. So let's run this. Now this here is our legend that has been modified. This example has been showing how much this guide argument is so important, especially if you have different legends in your plots.